How to change your email on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Twitter app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and choose the first option, which is your account. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now choose account information, and here you will find some options. Choose the third one, which is email, and you will be able to change it just from here. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.